The Megalodon. A giant prehistoric shark has been a menacing presence in movies, but does it exist, or is it just a Hollywood creation? In this short inquiry, we'll investigate Megalodon's historical existence, cinematic portrayals, and the scientific consensus on its reality, separating fact from fiction. Welcome back to Get Insights. Considering every explored underwater region until now, man has always come across something new. It's not just underwater, we have also found fossilized life forms on land. Fossilized forms that have helped us gain more awareness about oceans and their ecosystems. Triangular bones have been found on ocean shores and determined to be teeth. But back when the bones were discovered, it was believed that the bones were teeth that belonged to either sea serpents or dragons. It was 1667 that a Danish naturalist named Nicholas Steno said that the teeth belonged to sharks. Also, Nicholas drew a diagram of a shark's head with its jaw in detail. That was when people realized that sharks were even bigger than regular sharks. In 1843, Louis Agassiz, a naturalist, gave the sharks their first scientific name, the Carcharodon megalodon. Megalodon means big teeth. The teeth were 16.8 centimeters, or 6.5 inches, big. Those teeth were found inside creatures eaten by megalodon sharks. When the teeth were carbon dated, the oldest specimen to be found was 28 million years old. The latest specimen was found to be around 3 million years old. Therefore, it is believed that such a shark species lived 283.5 million years ago. We don't really know the exact size of that species, but judging by the size of the teeth, there has been a rough estimate of its body size. Roughly, its body size must have been around 14.2 to 20.3 meters. That is around 27 to 67 feet. Megalodon species exist in several parts of the world. Because of that, their sizes must have differed from one another. Similar to how the lion king of the jungle, or Megalodon, was the king of its habitat. Scientists believe that Megalodon does not exist anymore. There are many facts that support this belief. The Earth has gone through several ages. The Earth had frozen over, the ice spreading to the oceans. The glacier that formed 5 to 10 million years ago, due to glacier formation and pathway closure, believe that Megalodon didn't have access to the substance anymore. Since Megalodon were huge and ate tons of food every day, tons of fish, so the Megalodon may have experienced a drastic shortage of food, eventually began to go extinct. Is Megalodon sharks really exists? You must know that many of the species were thought to be extinct years later. Let's take coelacanths, for example. The coelacanth was a species of fish, and its fossils had been discovered. It was believed that the fish went extinct 66 million years ago. But in 1938, a fisherman caught this very species in a net. The fish was not sighted for years after that, but now we know that the coelacanth is found near South Africa. In fact, the species thrives there. Another example is the megamouth shark, which was also thought to have gone extinct, but in 1976 it was rediscovered. From 1976 until now, the shark has been sighted only about 100 times. No more than that. For the third example, let's consider a turtle species. The Arakan forest turtle was rediscovered in 1908. Before that, it was thought to have gone extinct. The science expedition that went to see the turtle just killed the turtle. It was then said that this was the last specimen to exist, with no other to exist after that. But after that, another turtle was sighted. So only 2 of such a species existed. For the fourth example, take Bermuda petrel, where the bird was found living on the island of Bermuda. Britain attempted to populate the region, and when they brought in more inhabitants, it didn't prove favorable for the petrel. After 1620, the bird was declared extinct, but in 1951, the bird was sighted again, and they are not only alive, they are thriving. Now let's add in another fact. There are so many seas, and only 10% have been explored out of the 90%. In that case, wouldn't you think that the Megalodon shark is probably still alive anywhere? There are chances for that. Naturalists and biologists never say it has been proven that the Megalodon has gone extinct. They always say that they believe it to have been extinct. So what do you guys think? Do write your thoughts in the comments. If you want to know the ocean's deepest mystery, check it out here.